Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating, this is the Beethoven finale. The audition spot, if I counted right, is from letter E until the tempo 1 at the bottom of that page. So again, this is really fast. I keep saying, notes aren't really hard, it's just really fast. So, you just do repetitive practicing on these. Split your triplets up. And then do like and so on and so on. Okay, so the fingering, I gave you the fingering, so I'm just going to play it, and before I get into playing it, so you have on the second line to the bottom, when you have those repetitive triplets, you do those double stops really aren't very hard. The tricky part is getting from the then you have a low one, then you just shift up a half step, and then your 2 is a B natural and a 4th finger. Now right there you get out of the triplets and you're doing 16th notes. So you're doing ba 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 ba, and then you go ba 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 ba. So you're going let's see. So you're doing okay. So that's that. So I'm going to try to get through that whole part here at D. So you play your open G string, and then when you start the triplets, be sure you start it on an up bow. So you're going down, then I think I skipped a measure of, yeah, I skipped a measure of those. So you're doing then 1, 2, whoops. Okay, I'm going to try to do the whole thing again. Get through the whole thing so you can hear it again, okay? So I'm going to try to go about and try to do it, okay? All right, so right at D. Excuse me. So that's that.